Do you want to earn $100 just like this? Just by clicking on two buttons. This site I'm about to show you is 100% legit, and you can turn your time into money. And you can make money over and over again. There are unlimited tax and instant payments, and it's available worldwide, and you can earn just by clicking on two buttons. If you watch this video to the end, I will show you how to 3x, 4x and 5x your earning through this website I'm about to show you. So just watch this video to the end because it will be a value-packed video, and we are starting right now. Welcome to Money Talk with Alexi. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I make other making money videos, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. The name of the site is called Paydera.
Your time into money. Working online has become easy without any big experience and all of that. So this is it. So it's all about turning your time into money. Why we are the best? Check it out. To create unlimited tasks, we are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day. Makes no limit to what you can make per day. So there's no limit. You can make money by inviting friends. Also, we are paying you to invite your friends to join us. Make money from your social circle. Instant payment. Minimum, you reach the minimum payout threshold and request your instant payment is 24/7 available. This is what they offer. Sign up tasks, sign up or subscribe to other websites offers. This is video. Uploading videos have become more profitable than other tasks. So I'm going to teach you how to upload video. So what you do here is just about making a video about Paydera. Then you upload it. When people watch, you make money. Write about us. You can write short articles, stories about them, about Paydera, and you make money. All in one. All of your earnings are available in one place. So all your earnings are gathered in one place. So your money is not scattered. Invite friends. So tell your friends about us and make a good revenue. Complete survey. So there are a lot of surveys here that you can make. Alright. So quickly, they have over 930,000 members. Over 7 million tasks completed so far. 1 million plus payments sent out. So this is it. So just come to this place. You read it, please go through it, read and understand it. So let me quickly come to this place. This is the home page. Then we have the FAQ. Frequently asked questions. Let's click on it so that you can understand some things quickly. Look at it. Frequently asked question. What is Paydera? So get to read it. What they are. How to make money. You can see how to make money. How much you can earn. There's no limit to how much you can earn. How time I can work. There's no time you can't work on this site. Is my country accepted? It is worldwide. So there's no country that is not accepted. So this is the survey. Just go through it, read it. For quizzes, these are the quizzes. So read it. Task. For the sake of time, just read the task you'll be assigned to do. It is all about, it's always 50 cents. You earn 50 cents for everything, as ranging from giving your gender, your age, and all of that. Task reward in cents. How does this work? Task currency is in cents. It means 100 cents equals to $1. So 50 cents equals to $0.5. So depending on the type of the number of tasks you do, just imagine doing like 20 tasks, then 20 multiplied by let's say 50 cents. Just imagine how much that will be. Okay, sorry, let me quickly remove it from auto. So do I need referral to receive payment? You don't need referral, because these are some of the questions. Do you need referral before you can get paid? You don't need referral. Referral is optional. How much time it takes to receive my payment after performing a request? This is it here. It usually take up to 15 business days and sometimes less, depending on the request queue. So when you want to request for your payment, it takes 15 days to receive your payment. So minimum threshold. He said you can choose your preferred threshold by yourself from your payment section. Okay, we provide payment paper. We also provide paper payment right now. So that is that. Proofs. Let's quickly go to proofs here. Let me click. Let me make it. Let me bolden it a bit. You can see it's proofs. Proofs here. Let me click on it. These are the payment proofs and reviews. Let me quickly just open this one. He said, I'm using Paydera from very long time. It's helped me a lot in earning money. It is 100% genuine and can be trusted site. I'm very happy to earn from Paydera, and it is recommended it to anyone to need to earn. Paydera is legit site to earn money by doing simple tasks, and I earn money from this site. It is best site which gives real earning of all other earning sites. I completely believe this site. Now I am using this site. Thank you, Paydera. So look at it. Just quickly go through. These are the payment history. We have a lot of payment history, so you can scroll all the way down to see that it is legit. So let's quickly head over to the sign up process. For here, you can. It's for those who wants to advertise. So you can come to that place to advertise. So for the sign up processes, this is it. Just click on this place. Click on the sign up. Page. Just enter your name, your first name. Let me expand it. Your first name, last name. Put in your username, your email address, password. Then you confirm password. Then agree to term and condition. Okay. Then you sign up and create an account. So this is it. Making money solution available, taking survey, downloading apps, doing tasks, inviting friends, uploading videos, writing short articles. That is how to make money on Paydera. So after you have sign up for an account, you sign in. Just enter your email address, then your password. But please don't forget, when you sign up, you will have to go into your email address to activate, because there will be a link that they will send to you. So go into your email address, then you activate, then you sign up to it. So I sign up. So for me, my one is Alexander Vincent 25. This is my dashboard. You can see it said the new survey available. Check it out. The pay is just 10 cents. So if I want it, I can just press OK. So this is, I have 50 cents. I've not really done much. This is it. This is your referral area. You just copy your link here. You can copy your link here, just copy it so your friends can click through it so that you earn money through there. These are the offers they have. You can see it. You can see. So your payment settings. You can adjust it, PayPal, whichever one you want to use to withdraw. So these are the various method of making money. I told you about 3xing your video or 4xing. For video tutorial, you have it here. This is video tutorial here. You make money by making video for Paydera. When you make video for them, they will pay you. The pay is even much higher than every other survey, micro tags and all of that. So when you make video for them, you make money. Let me click on it for you to see. This is it. It's a tutorial. Click on tutorial. You're going to make tutorial in language easy. French. Look at it. These are the various languages we have. Igbo. Then you can come down here. See. So make. In fact, you can include your own language too. This is it. Your also. You can't see your language here. Please check again later or help us by creating useful videos in your native language. Get paid to help others. So please, you can click on it to read it so that you know what to do. Well, what you need is just a good phone camera. A good phone camera, you can record yourself doing a short video. Though the terms and conditions and the tutorial on how to go about it is there. They will teach you what you need to know about doing the video. They will tell you the time, the duration, and you can also write an article for them too. So when you want to submit the video, you can click on this place to click on it, then they will tell you how to submit your video. Then you can come to this place, micro task completed. Quickly look at the micro, it's open. That's okay. This is just for me to update my profile. This one, another one has come up, 10 cents. 10 cents, okay. Let me see. So let me see, these are tasks. So if I input my information here, I'll be able to do micro tasks. This area is because I've not filled in my details and all of that. So that is why it didn't open. But make sure you fill everything here. Your email, your gender, and all of that. For the task, these are the various tasks we have. Let me click on this one. Let me click on it. I've clicked on offer to the first one. See it. All offer payout are set in cent and it will be converted to US dollar in your balance. 100 cents equals to 1 US dollar. So you can see it for mobile phone users, desktop, service. This is it. So you say register and collect 5,000 gold. When you register for this gifted.gg, you get 24 cents here. Play and reach level 23 within 14 days, you get 69 cents. Take your survey, that is 21 cents. For this one, bookkeeping made easy, Android, open and use the app. Just to use the app, you get 3.9 cents. Look at it. 22bet.io launch, just to launch this and register and deposit, and a wager minimum of $1, you get 120 cents here. Look at it. 3.9. Open the app, sign up, and keep it up on your phone for 7 days. Just to keep it on your phone, keep the app on your phone for 7 days, you get 3.9 cents. Okay, so this is it. Let's take a look at how it goes. Let's see. Let's take a look. Install app, you get 8 cents. So the difficult aspect of it earns you a lot of money. When you see it, it is simple. When the money is low, then definitely that tax is very, very low. It's not really hard to do. Maybe you just want to install. So this is how it is. So you can click on referral. I've told you how to copy your referral link and all of that. Check on this reward, you can click on it. Then your payment history. Make sure you put in your payment history. For the sake of time, I won't be able to do that. Then your support ticket, if you want to reach customer care, you can click on it if you have any issue. But there's no issue whatsoever on it, because I have a lot of people that have really used this site to make money. Look at this place. Let me click on this survey so that you just see how it goes. When you click on it, I've clicked on it. It said proceed to offer. So please make sure you always read this eligibility term before you do anything, so that you won't waste your time. I think I'm eligible. Click on proceed. Okay, so this is it. So what is your annual household income before tax salary? Okay, let me say 200,000. For which purpose do you travel by plane? I can say for both leisure and business. Are you the primary decision maker in your household for automotive related purchase and maintenance? Yes, primary decision maker. How often do you eat fast food? I can say 10 times or more per week. How many people? Okay, let me say 3 persons. Then click on continue. Let me click on continue. Click on continue. Okay. If you could answer any superpower, which one would you want? If you could have any superpower, which one would you want? Market research. So just give in some answers here. Then you click on continue. So when you click on continue until you get to the end of the survey, that is when you will see in your dashboard your money. That concerning Paydera. It is very, very easy to earn on this site. I've seen a lot of people that have really cashed out so fast. Look at service. Let me click on service. Let me see. Click on service. This is survey. It's opening. Okay. See 10 cents available. So these are service. This is survey. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Continue. Survey. The survey is matching your profile. TV cent. Let me click on continue. It's redirecting me to this place. Okay. See it. So this is another. Do you smoke? No. So this is how you just go about it. So it is all I have for you on today's video. Paydera.com. Do pay. At the end, I'm going to post a site, a trust site where we do analyze to see whether some sites are really genuine or not. And on this site, I've done my research on it several times, even long before this video, that Paydera is legit. You can make money on Paydera. You can also join their Telegram channel so that you can have the chance to rub mind with other people in the group if you have a challenge. Thank you very much. If you find value in this video, please strike the like button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get other making money video from me. And if you want to really learn how to play keyboard, there is a link down below. My brother is very good at playing keyboard. So check his link down below. You can get free tutorials on how to play keyboard and be a master at playing keyboard. Thank you very much. Check the link below, the description link below, and don't forget my link for this Paydera is in the description below too. So you can use that to register. You can use my link to register for Paydera. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.